Hi everyone. This question is just asking us to solve a combination equations. This is n choose 2 is equal to 21. Now I am going to show you guys a couple of different ways of doing this. But I know it says solve algebraically, and I'll do that, but I'll show you another way of doing this as well here. N choose 2, so the notation here, before I can do anything with it, I need to convert this into factorial notation, and then get rid of the factorials. So this is going to be n factorial over n minus 2 factorial. 2 factorial, and this will equal 21. Now, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to move over the 2 factorial because I know what that is. It's just 2. So I'm going to multiply that across, and I'll get 42. Now, n factorial over n minus 2 factorial, I got to think which of these is bigger. Okay, well, it's going to be n, so I'll expand that out, and it'll be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. Okay, and I stop there because I've got the same factor here, and again the factorial takes it all the way to the end. So those will cancel out, and I'm going to be left with n times n minus 1 is equal to 42. Now it's enough that I can stop right there because I think about my factors of 42, and what this is saying on the left hand side is that I've got two factors that differ by 1. Okay, this would be the larger one, n minus 1 would be the smaller one, and the answer has got to be 7. 7 times 6. So I could stop right here and say n is equal to 7. But if you're not comfortable with that, that's okay. Just expand this out, and you'll get n squared minus n, and then bring the 42 over because this is a quadratic. Okay, so I want to bring everything over, set it equal to 0, and then factor. And I'm basically answering the same question, like what are my two factors of 42 that differ by 1? And the answer is 6 and 7. So positive 6 minus 7. And so my answers will be negative 6 and positive 7, but again, I can't have the negative solution, not in this context here. The negative doesn't make sense in the combination, so the answer would just be 7. Now, I can also do this on my calculator, and I want you to see this. Okay, I can go to y equals, and I would go x math over to n choose, and I would say x choose 2. Okay. And then what I would do is go to my table of values, and I'm just going to go down, slide down until I get a combination of 42. I'm sorry. Sorry, 21 is what I'm looking for here. Sorry, I got the 42 out of adjusting the equation, but the initial question there was n choose 2 is equal to 21. So the answer here, again, just like we said before, is 7. That's all you need.